Hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. I want to look at Tesla here. Now you can say, and some of the Teslonians will, that, oh my God, it's down so much, this is definitely a buy. And it is, but it's probably a buy for those that are short. Yeah, I see the zigzag here, but I'm going to show you this in a different time frame, and you'll probably have a different view of things. So as I see this now, this used to be the box that it was trading in, and then this happened, okay, down here. And so where's this next box? Probably here, or maybe here, probably, say, maybe down to 210 before you get some kind of a rebound. But this kind of stuff, it really does, it really is kind of a self-fulfilling prophecy. So we get a rebound here. And what I'm waiting for is an opportunity to short, not to buy. And you could say, well, yeah, but you can buy down here. Sure, fine. And maybe so, but that wouldn't be the subject of a nightly video because it would develop during the day. And then all you'd hear is, hey, looky me, look at what I did. So we're not talking about that. I got to look ahead. But so I'm looking for a rebound here. But man, if you look at the weekly chart, you'll see that this stock has it's kind of peaked. I mean, it's peaked for a while. This isn't the greatest line here. I know I can do better than that. I don't know, but I think a little bit better. It's kind of peaked here, and since that time, it's been farting around with the 40-week or the 200-day moving average, but it fell down here earlier this year, fell below, and now it's actually pushing up to it and couldn't get above it. So what had been support, the 40-week moving average, is now resistance. And you can see it here with the green line. You can see how the stock had been bouncing along here along the 200, but once it broke decisively, then any retracements back to here were opportunities to sell. Prior support, once broken, becomes new resistance, and that's what's happening here. So on this chart, this is really what you're looking for. If we can get a nice rally here, up to even 260, 280, something like that, I think that's going to be an awesome time to get a short sale off. I think it's really, really going to work well. So, but you got to wait for it, because if you decide, oh, well, I'm just going to short here, yeah, you may wind up being a good one, but as soon as you short, the stock's not necessarily going to do that. It could very well go up here, stop you out, hurt you, and then you'll see the stock fall. So you got to be disciplined in your entries. Okay, that's all I got for you. Hang tough. Cash is a position. Johnny Cash is my favorite singer, and I think there's a little Mark Knopfler in there too, which is you're risking money for nothing. I don't know about the chicks for free, but I can only take the analogy so far.